Well, hi there everybody. Today it is cold, rainy, we got some wind, it's early November. So that means today we're gonna try jerkbait fishing. And I like to do this when we get our water temps into the mid to low 40s. And this will even work in wintertime at our coldest time of year. Got the jerkbait rod today, 6'8", medium extra fast, St Croix Victory, and see what we can get. I'm gonna take anything I can get today. So kind of a challenging situation, but we'll see what happens. It's cold out, not terribly cold, but cold enough. We got cold water temps, and we're gonna try some suspended jerkbait fishing today. And this is my jerkbait rod here, 6'8", medium extra fast. Give it a rip. There we go. Ha ha! Look at that. Great. First fish of the day right there. Nice little largemouth. Suspended jerkbait, cold water. Beautiful. Yeah. So in case you're wondering, it actually does work. Sweet. And good sensitive rod's important for this, just because you really got to feel that bite. And so yeah, I felt it right away. So yeah, only a couple casts in and we got a fish already. I'll keep going with her. I'm using a Rapala shadow wrap shad. I'm using the, I believe it's the 06 size. Pretty nice lure. And just a white color, a little orange on the bottom there. Oh, sorry, shadow wrap shad 09, slow rising and slow sinking, slow rising. It's all good. So I'm using this 10-pound fluorocarbon. $10 or $12, $14, whatever. It all works good. I wouldn't recommend braid. Oh, there's another one. What we got here? A little pike. Oh, look at that. I don't think I need the net for this one. Look at that. Yeah. 2 fish. Just a few casts in. Gotta love it. Get them unhooked here. Figured we'd run into one of these bad boys. We'll probably run into a few more, I imagine. But yeah, nice little dude. He's kind of chubby too. Holy cow! That cold water's got him all fired up. All right, I'm gonna get my net back in order here, and we'll keep fishing. All right. So you guys have seen me fish down here before. It's kind of a pretty sweet little spot, actually. A little bit of everything in here. It's a good spot to come and test lures out. So we're gonna see what this one does. There we are. Haha, nice pike there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Let me just get in a better spot to land this dude. Heck yeah, man. There we go. Fish number 3. Whew. All right. That's great. Thrashing around. All right, I think he unhooked himself. Excellent. Oh yeah, they're biting today. Ah, he's just a touch bigger. Yeah. Just a touch bigger than the other one. Cool, man. Fish number 3, there we go. See you, dude. Jerk bait. Worked again. Love it. Oh. Come on. Oh. How did you miss that? Come on, bud. There's another pike. There we go. I knew he'd come back. Oh yeah, he's a pretty good one too. There we go. I don't think I'm gonna get the net for this one. He's a little dude. Got him hooked in the back of the lure too, so I like it when they get hooked. Nice. Perfect. Fish number 4, 3 pike and a largemouth on our Rapala jerkbait. Nice. Love it. He came back. That's awesome. Sweet. I think I'm gonna move maybe to the other side over there, see what's in that little back corner. Sometimes there's some cool stuff. Okay. Keep on throwing out. Seems like they're out kind of in the middle a little bit here. A little bit deeper. Oh, that's a nice one there. Oh wow, I was just reeling it and he hit it. Oh, I lost him. I didn't have a good hook set. Darn. Oop, 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 oop. Haha. Another little one. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Gonna be careful here, trying to not fall in. Oh. Oof, I got water spilling off of my hood and everything. Look at that. All right, another one, similar size, but hey, we will take him. Felt a few twitches there. Kind of cool. They're hungry. That's for damn sure. Just gotta do a little pliers here. Come on, bud. There we go. Here, another one. Sweet. Good deal. Whew. Well, all right. I will take that any day of the week. We got a few pike, had a few more bites. Missed a pretty nice one, but that's all right. We got something in the hand today. That was definitely more than I thought, so I'll take that. I'm happy. And another great lure and technique to use for cold water, late season fishing, or even early, super early. So yeah, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.